Life is best lived when it's simpler. For this reason, our purpose is to make people's lives easier. This is how Rimax was born, a Colombian company that since its foundation in 1953 has dedicated its efforts to the transformation and commercialization of high-quality plastic products. Established in Valle del Cauca, a region where natural resources abound, business dynamism, and great human warmth, we benefit from our privileged location near the main seaport of the country. We are a leading company backed by our long trajectory, innovative drive, and great infrastructure. We operate in a manufacturing plant built on approximately 35,000 square meters, with a production capacity that grows every day. Having today more than 64 state-of-the-art injection machines and about 650 molds, for which we process an average of 20,000 tons of resin per year. We have a quality assurance system throughout our processes, having been certified more than 20 years ago with high quality standards. In addition, since 2018, we are accredited as Authorized Economic Operator, AEO, guaranteeing an agile, transparent, and safe trade to serve our local and international clients. All of this is possible thanks to our most valuable resource. More than 1,200 employees who work every day with passion, effort, and dedication. Committed to the care of our planet, we have a recycling plant within our facilities through which we have incorporated since 2005 more than 51,000 tons of recovered plastic to the production process. Today, we have a portfolio of more than 300 product references, covering different solutions for the home, industry, and institutions, which respond to our main source of innovation, our consumer. Reliable, resistant, and functional products, designed to make the most of spaces and adapt to each style with trending textures and colors. We are pioneers and leaders in plastic furniture, offering solutions to all family members. Ideal for organizing and balancing those spaces that need it most. And for those demanding activities, we have functional and resistant products. Understanding your needs and your lifestyle has allowed us over the years to develop products that make your life more practical. This is a formula we've used to win the hearts of thousands of customers in Colombia and throughout the world, reaching over 40 countries in the Americas, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. At Rimax, we stand committed to simplifying people's lives, offering innovative, functional, and high-quality products, always being responsible with the environment. Rimax, simplify your life.